Hello and welcome. This video will explain how to use the various functions and reports within the Nesterenko Software Timetable Assistant application. The application is used by guidance and administration throughout the year and by timetablers in the spring. It makes use of data extracted from the Master Schedule by Course section report. No data entry is required. Everything is available with a few mouse clicks. This video is part of a series. The previous videos explained how to launch the application, then extract and import your school's master schedule data. Now we'll look at the many reports and functions available within the application. The most used report is the Master Schedule report, which shows semester and block from left to right and grades from top to bottom in an easy-to-read visual grid. Courses within each grade are shown alphabetically. The course code, section, and number of students is shown for each course. This sample data is from a school of approximately 900 students. Various symbols and colors are used to highlight on the report. Courses at maximum size, courses over maximum, courses with low enrollment, combined courses. Also, the Term 2 sections of Careers and Civics are displayed as lowercase. A school of 1,000 may not fit on a regular sheet, but it would fit on 8.5 by 14. The Teacher Linear Report shows teacher assignments and number of students. The Teacher Linear Concise version shows just one line per teacher. The Room Linear Report shows rooms, courses, and partial teacher name. The Room Linear Concise version makes it easy to find available rooms. This report displays any issues found during the import process, courses with unassigned teacher or room, or a blank department. Usually no action is required. The Initialized Values tab has a number of tables that can be changed by the user. The various settings are pre-configured when you receive the application. The school year is indicated here. On the Blocks table form, you can indicate column headings as well as which column semester block combinations will appear on reports. In very rare situations, it may be necessary to indicate blocks to ignore, perhaps a unique split lunch situation. Courses such as co-op tie-ins, credit recovery, etc. can be excluded from the regular master schedule report to avoid clutter. The values in the class maximum and special class maximum tables are your school board's class size guidelines. As mentioned, they come pre-configured but can be changed if needed. Some general information and settings can be found here. Suggestions for setting up the application are found here. The Other Routine Reports tab contains many reports. Some are very useful and some are rarely used. There are several special versions of the Master Schedule report. The first three identify problem areas: the Courses Over Maximum report, the Courses At or Over Maximum report. Also, the Courses with Low Enrollment report highlights possible problems. This version of the Master Schedule report includes all courses, including co-op tie-ins, credit recovery, etc. This report is likely never needed but may be helpful on rare occasions to find special courses. This version shows the full teacher name on a second line, so of course it's a longer report. This version shows a portion of the teacher name on one line. It is a wider report, so it is landscape. This version uses a larger font and is also landscape. A couple of Teacher Linear reports might help in special circumstances. The regular Teacher Linear has an arbitrary limit of 6 lines per teacher. This version may be helpful for summer school and displays all courses for every teacher. This version of the Teacher Linear report attempts to determine FTE. It is generally accurate, but might not be in all cases. These two reports allow guidance to manage special clauses, such as a course can be over maximum, but a teacher can only be over by a maximum of 4 per semester. Some school boards use the Courses Over Max by Teacher report to be able to analyze and resolve collective bargaining agreement teacher workload issues. The first brief version shows only courses over maximum by teacher. The second complete version shows all courses for any teacher with at least one course over maximum. The Other Routine Reports tab also has a variety of listing reports that might be needed at specific times. View them just to be aware that they exist. They might be used in rare situations, possibly to validate data. This is a listing of courses excluded from the Master Schedule report during import, such as co-op tie-ins. This shows whether a course is set at credit or non-credit. This shows courses where max seats is set over the maximum. If the Ignored Blocks feature is used, this would show the courses ignored on import. This is sorted by course and shows the maximum size determination. This shows the maximum size determination and is sorted by class code. This one is sorted by the available seats value, and this lists all the classes over maximum. This video has explained the general use of the Timetable Assistant application. Please watch the next video in the series, Timetabling Functions, which explains the many functions and reports within this application that are used during the timetabling process. Thanks for watching.